Deloitte Touche Tohmatsu Limited, commonly referred to as Deloitte, is an international professional services network headquartered in London, England. Deloitte is the largest professional services network by revenue and number of professionals in the world and is considered one of the Big Four accounting firms along with EY, Ernst & Young, KPMG and PricewaterhouseCoopers, PwC. The firm was founded by William Welch Deloitte in London in 1845 and expanded into the United States in 1890. It merged with Haskins & Sells to form Deloitte Haskins & Sells in 1972 and with Touche Ross in the U.S. to form Deloitte & Touche in 1989. In 1993, the international firm was renamed Deloitte Touche Tohmatsu, later abbreviated to Deloitte. Deloitte provides audit, consulting, financial advisory, risk advisory, tax, and legal services with approximately 15,000 professionals globally. In FY 2021, the network earned revenues of $50.2 billion in aggregate. As of 2020, Deloitte is the third largest privately owned company in the United States, according to Forbes. In 1995, the partners of Deloitte & Touche decided to create Deloitte & Touche Consulting Group, now known as Deloitte Consulting. In 2005, Deloitte acquired Beijing Pan China CPA to become the largest accountancy firm in China. In 2007, Deloitte began hiring former employees of the Central Intelligence Agency, CIA, for their competitive intelligence unit known as Deloitte Intelligence. In 2009, Deloitte purchased the North American public service practice of Bearing Point, formerly KPMG Consulting, for $350 million after it filed for bankruptcy protection. In 2011, Deloitte acquired Domani Sustainability Consulting and Clear Carbon Consulting in order to expand its sustainability service offerings. In November 2012, Deloitte acquired Recombinant Data Corporation, a company specializing in data warehousing and clinical intelligence software, and launched Recombinant by Deloitte. In February 2013, Recombinant by Deloitte merged with an internal informatics unit, Deloitte Health Informatics, and launched Converge Health by Deloitte. In 2014, the company introduced Rubix, a blockchain consultancy providing advisory services for clients in different business sectors, including government. In 2016, the company created its first blockchain lab in Dublin. A second hub was launched in New York in January 2017. Deloitte SIS partnered with Waves platform to offering services related to initial coin offerings. Deloitte became a member of the Ethereum Enterprise Alliance and the Hyperledger project sponsored by the Linux Foundation in May 2017. In September 2016, Apple Inc. announced a partnership with Deloitte aimed at boosting sales of its phones and other mobile devices to businesses. As part of the partnership, the two companies will launch a service called Enterprise Next, in which more than 5,000 Deloitte consultants will advise clients on how to make better use of Apple products and services. In October 2016, Deloitte announced that they were creating Deloitte Northwest Europe. The Belgian, Danish, Dutch, Finnish, Icelandic, Norwegian, and Swedish member firms will combine with the UK and Swiss member firms to create Deloitte Northwest Europe. Deloitte, over the next 3 years, would invest €200 million to enhance its services to its global, national and private market clients and to create development opportunities. The firm came into effect on 1 June 2017 and it is estimated to have 28,000 partners and people generating over €5 billion in annual revenue. Deloitte Northwest Europe accounts for approximately 20% of all revenue within their global network. In March 2022, Deloitte acquired Etain, a data and digital transformation specialist company, based in Northern Ireland. Services that Deloitte provide. 1. Audit. Audit provides the organization's traditional accounting and audit services, as well as internal auditing, IT control assurance and media and advertising assurance. 2. Consulting. Consulting assists clients by providing services in the offering areas of strategy, analytics and M&A, customer and marketing, core business operations, human capital, and enterprise technology and performance. Consulting is Deloitte's largest business, bringing over 40% of total revenues in 2021. In An American Sickness, 2017, Dr. Elizabeth Rosenthal attributed to Deloitte a key role in counseling the adoption of strategic billing as a way of increasing revenues from hospital business. She dates this development from 2005, when Deloitte hired Tommy Thompson, former Secretary of Health and Human Services, as chairman of its global healthcare practice. In 2011, Deloitte was ranked number 1 by revenue in all areas of healthcare consulting: life sciences, payer, provider, and government health. 3. Financial advisory. Financial advisory provides corporate finance services to clients, including dispute, personal and commercial bankruptcy, forensics, e-discovery, document review, advisory, mergers and acquisitions, capital projects consulting and valuation services. 4. Risk advisory. Risk advisory provides offerings in enterprise risk management, information security and privacy, data quality and integrity, strategic and reputation risk, regulatory risk, project risk and cyber risk, and business continuity management and sustainability. Deloitte also offers authentication of valuable items. Since 2001, Major League Baseball has contracted them to authenticate signed baseball memorabilia to prevent fraud. 5. Tax and legal. Tax and legal helps clients increase their net asset value, undertake the transfer pricing and international tax activities of multinational companies, minimize their tax liabilities, implement tax computer systems, and provides advisory of tax implications of various business decisions. In November 2013, the international development charity ActionAid accused Deloitte of advising large businesses on how they could use Mauritius to avoid potentially hundreds of millions of dollars of tax in some of the poorest countries in Africa. Deloitte responded by saying that, in the absence of the double taxation treaties, they advise their clients to avail themselves of arrangements that could result in less taxes being paid to the countries in question. Deloitte also said it was wrong to say it is tax avoidance to make use of provisions in double tax treaties, and that without such treaties investment might be reduced. GovLab is the internal think tank of Deloitte Consulting LLP's federal government consulting practice, focused on innovation and government reform. Created in 2010, GovLab is based at New York University in New York, New York, and typically undertakes 8 or 9 research topics per year, focusing on how future trends, technologies, and business models will affect government. In India, Deloitte has 2 entities, Deloitte India and Deloitte US India, UC, which is a region within the Deloitte US organization. Deloitte India caters to clients within India, while Deloitte UC is an entity of Deloitte US that is geographically located in India and caters to clients of the US member firm.